Hi, it's Andrea from Club SciKidz, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today to do an activity about the moon. And the great thing about this activity is not only is it going to be a model of the phases of the moon, but it's also going to be a tasty snack. What you need is either a printout of this worksheet. There's a link on the website. If you don't have access to a printer, that is no big deal. You either need just a plain white sheet of paper where you can make your own, or if you have a paper plate, you can also do it this way. So if you have this worksheet, you are good to go. If you do not have a worksheet, what you need to do is just recreate this on either your paper plate or a blank sheet of paper. I will list all of the phases of the moon for you so that you can copy it if you need to, either on your paper plate or your paper, and then we will get started. Now that you have either your worksheet or a paper with the names listed out, or your paper plate, we are ready to get started. The only other thing that you will need is going to be Oreo cookies. You only need 8, but we have a whole pack. If you are not using this worksheet, you will want to have access on your computer while you're doing this to the different names and also what they look like, so that you know which to recreate on your paper plate. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn this so you can see it. So the first phase that we start out with is the new moon. And the new moon is when it's turned that it looks as if it's not there. So the way you're going to make that is you're going to take all of the frosting off. This is where you probably want a knife or something to help you. So the new moon, and actually I'm going to flip it upside down. The next phase that you see is our waxing crescent. So what we're going to do, that's just where you see one little crescent. So I'm going to use this knife, and I'm going to mark my frosting. And the great part about this is then you get to eat it. Okay. Oops. So there we have our waxing crescent. And we can put this here. Now then the next one is our first quarter. You're going to take your Oreo cookie and make each of these, and the full moon is the easiest. So I will see you back as soon as you're finished with yours. And here is your final result. You should have all 8 phases shown in an Oreo. So again, the phases are the new moon, the waxing crescent, the first quarter, the waxing gibbous, the full moon, the waning gibbous, the last quarter, and the waning crescent. Here is a close-up look at my model. I'm so glad that you joined us today for this tasty science model and snack. If you come back in a short minute, we will do the last part of the activity, and we will make a little bit of moon sand. I look forward to seeing you in a couple minutes.